Hi Yancey, Shannon Coward here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about the Elantra GT. Guess what? This is a manager's special. But I want to tell you the most important thing about the GT, that is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. The Elantra GT has the most incentives on them out of everything on our entire lot. This particular model is on the manager special. We are at the end of the month. We don't want you to lose any of those incentives that they've got out going into the next month. Give me a call, 205-380-6250, or you may reach me on my personal cell at 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you, Yancey.